had fun. How you doing, darling? Well, it was nice to see her. Kat, I made a joke to Kat, because Kat uses my phone number at CVS. So I made a joke to her when I saw the receipt come in, because I have it set for, whatchamacallit, for, email receipts. And I was like, oh, send me those, Reese's Pieces, Reese's, whatever Reese's thing she brought. And she said, okay, get this from Samantha. And I was like, I was joking. But then I went and met up with young head chef. How are you all today? We're gonna make this. Found a recipe. Yeah? Oh wait, let me show it to them. We're going to have to make these cookies. This is so, and then, look how cute this guy is. I've only had Jersey Mike's once, but I enjoyed it. It's just like a shame, tooth. I really need to go through my iPad now. So we're going to have to make loose cookies at some point. Watty! Thank you for the I've collected all the level 2 hype keys. Thank you for the 30 months. 33 months. 33 months. These dumb things. Thank you very much for the hype train. Thank you for the birthday love. I appreciate you all very, very much. Hold on, I'm just getting our recipes together, okay? Because I got home from meeting up with Head Chef and realized I needed a couple of things. So, let's get our milk coffee. I don't know what if I do anything else per se. Recipe. One near you or comes to your area. I've never even heard of Cheba Hut. But, hey man, I don't mind a sandwich here and there. I don't mind a sandwich here and there. Okay, hold on, let's print the recipe. And then we're gonna get going. We already started. An hour and 45 minutes. It's a stone. Oh, I have had that. I had that in Colorado. After my cousin had her baby, we ordered lunch from there. I don't remember what I got, but I think it was good. Music too loud? I think it is. In Arizona. Okay. Cool. Cool. Alright, let's do this shit, baby. Let's make food. What do you think? I don't need to. Alright, let's warm our milk up. The Gabrus, oh my god. stoner too? It's nothing. I am so shocked, Gamer. So. There's no one in here. Alright, let's microwave this for like 30 seconds. Get it hot but not too hot. Here where it belongs. Well, I had a shrimp po' boy at Bubba Gump's. Shocking no one, I had never been to Bubba Gump's before. I just didn't want to get too much. It was mainly there to make sure if Ed Chef needed anything, but also to see her, you know. I'm telling you right now, I wouldn't have ventured into Times Square on a rainy Saturday for anybody else. You know, and I knew the reference was to Forrest Gump, right? There's no reason to go back. I knew the reference was to Forrest Gump, right? But I honestly didn't realize it was completely themed around Forrest Gump. Completely. Like, legitimately everything. For anyone? Alpha! Thank you for the 38. How are you? I go to Times Square. Normally I try to avoid as much of it as possible. But I tend to but I go to see shows, so. What if I force you to see a show? Launching, huh? Then what? Thank you for the 38 months. Thank you for the happy. I'm still disappointed in myself. I missed getting that NASA thing. Hi! Welcome! Take one selfie and move on. Exactly. Hi, Saiku. I'm sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. Saiku? How are you today? Saiku. There we go. Awesome. I didn't do too bad. 105. It's fine. Now we need this. I'm good. Let's hear it. Welcome in. 63 grams. Hi, Felon. Hello, stranger. Miss you too. I'm not in bed right now with the bed bot. I'm standing in my kitchen. Exactly. This will be the cap to the birthday celebrations. I've had a really amazing few days. And now we make these cinnamon rolls. Ooh, are you? You know what movie I want to see? That I think comes out soon. I can't think of it right this second. I can't remember, but I want to see a movie. Kevin Grant. Of activities, yeah. Michael is what you want to see? I'm interested in that. There was something that I wanted to see. Hi, Therma! I do want to see the new Hunger Games movie, but I have to finish reading the 2 books and see read the 2 other books and then see the first 2 movies before I see this new one. I don't think I'm going to get that done before this happens. Alright, we're going to let this sit for a few minutes. How you doing today, let that sit. I love when soda pop is on sale. Sleepy, yeah, I hear that. I'm not yesterday. Glorious nap. Should have gone to work out, but I did not. Hi, Kat! Are you guys on the bus home? Thank you! Finally. Poor Golden. Having the house all to himself all day. He must have been so bored. That was all foam? That's annoying. And I can't wait to hear what Head Chef thinks of Hades Town because I love that show so very much. Hi, Daisy! How are you today? Well, that's nice. Golden's a good one. God, I love soda. It's not good, but I love soda. I should look at my water bottle, though, honestly. Now that I think. Then they fed him dinner. Well, that's nice. I'll be right back. Made our pesto. We don't have to do that. But we are going to make. Oh, I should put the water on. I'm not sure what this song is, but okay. to the siren, the mortal coil. Alright, I need a hair tie or a hair clip or something. I'm not gonna be able to stand this. Anyway, let's get moving, baby. That is nicely. There we go, hook. Here it is. Courtney was popping wet. Once she got her sweatshirt off, she was fine. It looked to me like she was fine. Yes, we show them. And we're gonna have to make goose cookies soon. I was wrong, it's not less than that. It's like just exactly that. Nice. I mean, we still have to refill them. Yeah, I showed them already. I showed chat. We're gonna have to make goose cookies. We're gonna have to work on my decorating skills. Look cute. They are really cute. Alright, 73 grams of light brown sugar. I'm going to zero you out so I don't make a mistake here. I have to re-wet my bear. Don't forget to search the mines. That's true. Egg. Oh, this one is just melted, eh? Fine. Do it the way I don't like doing it, which is perfect. Vanilla, salt, and cinnamon. Shocking nobody. The cinnamon rolls need cinnamon. Else can go in. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Need more cinnamon. Let's not knock this over. That would be bad. Vanilla. We need vanilla. How much vanilla? A tablespoon of vanilla. Holy moly, that's a lot of vanilla. Yes I do. No, I am not making phyllo dough. No, a tablespoon. 1 tablespoon, not teaspoon. I like cheese. Do you like cheese? Why do I feel like this is setting me up for some weird ass cheese nuts joke? This recipe will not have cheese, seeing as it's cinnamon rolls. Technically later when I make my pesto pasta. That'll be yummy. So yummy indeed. Alright, mix it, baby. Oh my god, everybody stop buzzing. Whatever. Yes, it would be weird to make cinnamon rolls with cheese. Hi, Cake Master. How are you? That's why I'm not doing it. I do sometimes think things through. I'm talking here. I have a message you won. Why not? I'm talking here. Thank you, Paunchy. I'm walking and I'm talking here. Exactly. I'm a New Yorker. What do you want? I literally had to push past people in Times Square today. No, but a cheese Danish roll would be nice. That would be actually cool. This is not a hostile cheese environment. We love cheese. Cheese is probably my favorite food. I just eat it in very specific places, like not cinnamon rolls. You know? That's how I do my life. I full on New York's today. Said to somebody in Times Square as I walked by them, why are we going so slow? No true New Yorker goes to Times Square. Excuse you. Sometimes you have to go to Times Square. False. Wow. Wow. Judged. I need a hair tie. I'll be right back. You're dead to me. Yeah. A folded slice.